Listen up. Here's why you should tune into Google Translate. Let's get to it. So, Google Translate. You go to Google Translate, and I've got the link in the Google document. If you go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, it's in there so you can get them. So you go to Google Translate, choose the language, and that form there, you want to go to and from certain languages. Enter the content, and I do it as a text file. And if you leave bulleted list items and so forth, the text is going to come out and read verbatim what you got. Don't put a full URL in there because it'll go HTTPS, etc. So, click on the listen, and that's going to let you hear the translation. And the reasons why you want to do this, and I've got it spelled out at the very bottom of the Google document. Scroll down there. And it makes you more efficient because you can multitask. You can listen to the audio while you're working on the other screen, if you have a dual screen setup, or if you have one screen setup. Okay? It's convenient. It's just easy as cake to do. You take the text you want to listen to, paste it into the window, and bazinga, it's done. It'll help you with your travel and that you don't have any more language barriers. Like if the person can give you what they want to say when they translate it to English so you can read it or hear it, bazinga, you got that done. So it's going to make your business meetings go a lot better. It's going to give you a little, I guess, a handy tool for learning a foreign language because you can listen to the phrase in the foreign language, and that'll help you. So, if you have questions, you know who to call. Oh, hey. Contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.